Welcome to art. Today we're going to look at a vanishing point right there. And we're looking at 1 point perspective. Just 1 point. Alright, so you're going to need to find some stuff from around your house. You could find a piece of chocolate, tea bags, eraser. I picked a lid. This lid came off a bottle of paint, pack of sticky tabs, and I chose a refrigerator magnet. It's a bit odd shaped. And what you're going to do is put a dot in the middle, and then you are going to trace around your objects. So I traced around the lid and the sticky tabs and the refrigerator magnet. Next, you're going to connect with the ruler. Do not freehand. You're going to connect with the ruler to the vanishing point. Every corner. Now, I connect all 3 corners, 1, 2, 3 of this rectangle shape here, but I'm not going to connect this one because to do this one I'd have to go over top. We're not doing that. The circle does not have corners, so you have to pick the outside edge of the circle like that. And then this refrigerator magnet has lots of funny angles, so you have to pick everywhere the line changes direction, here, here, and here. Now we're going to make these things look 3-dimensional, so you have to make a line that is parallel. So we'll start here with this. This one's easy. You know parallel looks like this right here. These 2 lines are parallel, and on this side you keep it parallel to this line. These 2 lines will be parallel. So this line and this line are parallel, and this line and this line are parallel. How do you do that with the circle? Well, you could eyeball it, you could just trace it in there, or you could just take the lid or whatever it is, and I just scoot it down a bit like that, and it's parallel. Not all parallel lines are straight. This one, I would say we just have to eyeball it. So right here, this part of the beak is parallel, and then right here on the neck, parallel, and then this curve of the stomach of my little hummingbird refrigerator magnet, and then the feathers. Okay, so now you have something that is all connected with these diagonal lines to the what? The vanishing point. How many vanishing points do we have? Just 1, because this is vanishing point, 1 point perspective today. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to erase the extra lines. These were guidelines and we don't need them anymore. Once you erase it, you have a circle that looks 3-dimensional. You're going to erase the ones that went to the magnet here, the refrigerator magnet, hummingbird, and now you have something that looks like it's got 3 dimensions. This is using linear perspective, 1 point linear perspective. And this one the same. We just erase these diagonal lines that go to the vanishing point. Okay, so there you have it. Vanishing point, 1 point perspective. Choose 3 objects of your choice. Maybe you could find a cookie cutter or a Christmas ornament or a piece of candy. Trace around them, and then you draw a line that is parallel. These lines are parallel. Right here, these lines are parallel, these lines are parallel. And the tricky one here with the hummingbird, these lines are also parallel. Erase your guidelines. You don't need them at the end. So, when you're finished, take a picture of it and send it to me. And I can't wait to see how you did with 1 point perspective and a vanishing point.